Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have here a shoe unboxing video. This is the box. Okay, let me put it out first. Okay, put it on the side. Okay, here it is. So it goes on all in this box full of bubbles. Okay, so this is Givenchy sneakers I got here. This is a box, and it's a very cute box. It says Givenchy and it's all white, very nice, and it also has in this envelope, and inside the envelope some general information like thank you for your purchase with Givenchy and stuff. Okay, let's look inside. Okay, so we have here all this little envelope kinda. I guess it's a care information for the sneakers. Yeah, it's care information for the sneakers in different languages. Okay. And this is the name of the sneakers here. Okay, so it's called Urban Street Sneakers, white pink, and it's 100% calf leather, made in Portugal. Okay. Okay, and let's take a look at the most exciting part, the sneakers. Okay, so each shoe goes in its separate dust bag, as you can see here. It's 2 dust bags. Okay, let me put this bag aside. Okay, so this is it. Each shoe has its own dust bag, and it's very high quality dust bag. I mean, it's really nice made, and it says Givenchy right in front of it over here. Okay, so let's see what the shoes look like. So this is it. Oh my god, they look so fantastic. I mean, such a cute sneakers. I looked for this style like for a while now. I mean, I was looking for like white sneakers and black like rubber, this kind of thing. And it says Givenchy like in a white color here. So, and I was so much excited to get something like this. So this one I got from Givenchy website, and I'm gonna tell all this stuff about how much and stuff in a bit. Okay, let's look at the shoes first. Okay, so cute dust bags for each shoe, which I so much like. So it's good. It's gonna take when you put it there, so it has a good protection when they are not in use, for example. Okay, and this paperwork, and this is, you can see here inside it says Givenchy Paris. Also Givenchy sign over here in a gold kind of leather, and it's so smooth leather on this back, so it's so nice. It also says Givenchy right here. Over here it says Givenchy Paris, and the same here. So it's like a lot of logo on these shoes. And this is a sole. Okay, and it says Givenchy again over here. So, and this one I got in size 36, which is about 6 in US, as I usually wear 6 or 5.5, so it's something like this. And inside they have like the number, I guess, authenticity number, that it's like real Givenchy sneakers, not the fake or something. And yep, over here it says also Givenchy. Okay, so this is super cute quality. So it's 100% leather. This part is kind of like some rubber, I guess. Yeah. And this is how they look. Super adorable. Okay, so this is it. And I so much like how this super bright pink color, even though I mostly, like before, I wanted them to be like not pink but black, but I didn't see any black available on sale, so I got this one and I'm actually super happy about it. So let's see how much is the prices and stuff for this one. Okay, so first of all, what I wanted to say that this sneakers, okay, so this sneakers is about $600 on retail price, and I got them for $295, I believe. Yes, $295, and it was on Givenchy sale section, because so after, like, in New Year, after Christmas, a lot of different designers will have sales going on their websites and everywhere. So, and they have section, like Versace has section up to 50% off, Givenchy has section, Yves Saint Laurent had this section on sale like about a week or two ago, and right now there is no sale section, unfortunately, on Yves Saint Laurent, but Givenchy still has this sale section. They don't have a lot of stuff out there, I mean, not like all sizes or anything. This one is was literally like a surprise for me, because I just see them, then I just search through website and I see the price, I mean, I see the size. It was the only size available, it was 36, so which is my size, and I think it just felt like I have to get it. So this is it. And since the real price is more than $600 and I got it for $295, it's like more than 50% off for this one, and I'm super happy about it, especially that I was able to get it from a Givenchy official website, and I know 100% that this is the best quality, that this is a real thing and stuff. So, and this is it. So I can wait to finally start wearing them. I never tried yet, obviously, I just opened them, so, but I can't wait to start wearing them, because I so much like this, all this pinkish. I have a lot of stuff like that. I mean, I have like Gucci scarf in pink, I have Burberry jacket in pink, so this one will be super handy with all of my pinkish outfits. Okay, so thank you, I guess this is it, and thank you so much for watching and unpacking these amazing sneakers with me, and I'll see you shortly with more videos. Thank you.